Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. First, the disclaimer. Although this is not a sponsored video, I did receive this item free from Amazon for an honest product review. We first check the bevel angle. I'm using this as an example here. I had sharpened it before, but let us see how this works. Let us see if it matches 30 degrees. I guess 25, it matches 25 degrees well, so we'll use this 25 degrees as reference. We'll use this to set the 25 degrees, so it is 15, 20 and 25. So we'll lock it in place. Now we place the honing tool like so. And then we need to set and then tighten this. Now that we have set it at for the 25 degree bevel, we secure the chisel like so with it touching here, and then tighten this, and then now it is ready for sharpening. I normally use this microwave turntable. It serves as a very flat surface and it is quite strong. And this is the stone which I'll be using today. So let us wet it. And we go like so. So this is the bevel angle. So this is how I do it. Your mileage may vary, but this is a nice tool, makes it easy. Of course, the professionals may have their own method and ways to do it, but I feel this is good for a DIYer.